Hi, this is Ben Bond of OAB Photography, and
my name is Geza Yeman, the model for today, and we are having a 2 photographer 1 model shoot today. And
my name is Joseph of Phloshop. Yeah, that's the
okay. So which gear are you using?
Okay, so today I'm going to be using my Canon 6D as usual, my 85 1.4.
This is the first time shooting with it.
Yeah, actually, because then if you've seen my unboxing video, you notice that I just got it not long ago. So I've been using my 85 1.8 for a very long time, and this is my first time testing it out, and I can't wait to see the kind of images that I'll get with it. What gear are you using, Ben?
I'm using my baby, the Fuji X-T3, and I'm using a vintage lens, 135. So yeah, let me manage it like that.
So I can't wait for the outcome and post it on my page.
Alright, so see you.
Yeah.
See you.
Enjoy the behind the scenes, guys. Posting this video just to let you guys know that even though we recorded audio during the shoot, coming back and observing the files and going through them, I noticed I didn't really like the audio, especially the way it was captured, and so I have to do a voiceover just to let you guys know that I won't be talking throughout the video. And also to let you know that the camera died getting to the latter part of the shoot because we were there almost the whole day and we ran out of battery. It was just one battery in the Canon M50. That's what we used to filming this. So the shoot that we had close to the train, you're not going to see like a behind the scenes, but we're going to put like most of the images or quite a number of them at the end. And then to compensate for that, I'm also going to add the EXIF data of those files so that you can know which one is Fuji, which one is Canon. But in the beginning, those images that you're going to see, we're not going to let you know which one is Fuji or which one is Canon. You can guess and then leave a comment down below to let us know if it's very obvious which one the Canon is and which one the Fuji is. Do stick to the end of the video, leave a comment, leave a like, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.